Hey guys, I'm currently taking the DAP program and I'm about to take the core exam for the third time next week. For the last two practices, I did study for the test but didn't spend too much time doing examples. So I wanted to try to do a few examples every day for next week and maybe record what I'm going through, the thinking process, and also any type of insights that I might have as I work through these issues. So if you want, you can follow me as I go through these weekly challenges together. All right, here we go. So I'm just going to start from the beginning and just basically pick up some beginner ones and see if I can move on to the intermediate ones after a few days. But let's start with the first one, or the second one. Preparing delimited data. So many products will export textual data with delimiters such as quotes. This is done so that screens can contain delimiters and control characters within them. So the question basically wants us to use ETL to strip out delimiters and control characters. So let's give it a try. So right off the bat, I would probably run the files just to see what I got here. So I got a simple file with one field, two rows, with some delimiters and control, and they want those to be split into three fields with some sort of sentence, some number ID, and then a read date or read date. So looking at this, I'll probably try to parse out right off the bat the columns using the parsing tool. And the delimiters that I can see using the results window here is I see commas, double quotes, single quotes, and I can see that the double quote was parsed out, but the comma and the single quote wasn't. Looks to me they added an extra column. Maybe we need some more columns to handle the extra delimiters. Let's see what happens. So given enough space, it parsed out the the comma. Let's try another one. And looks like it didn't pick up the single quotes. I mistyped single quote, double quotes. So I don't need 7, I just need 6 columns. So looking at the results, it seems I need a 7 column to remove the final single quote. And then after that, I can just go ahead and select the columns I want out of it and rename them. So just looking at this, I want 2, 4, 6. So select all, I want 2, 4, 6. And there's a particular name. The result needs to be poem underscore ID, and then poem read date, right? So poem ID. Something like that. Let's also notice there is a conversion of the date on the text 16 June 1 to, let's see, can I get this into a date? So let's see, not a date. Is it a date time? No. So I might do a date conversion. So let's do a date time. As you can see, I'm not so smooth with all the tools yet, which I'm hoping to improve with this exercise. So I'll take the current 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, I believe 6, and I'll get it as date time out. And the format we want will be 4-digit year, 2-digit month, 2-digit date, right? So I'll take a string. So I want 4-digit year, 2-digit month, like that. And if that's the case, then I will, instead of doing that guy, I'll do red date. Get rid of that just in case. And I'll be it. This one was a B string, so I'll keep it as a B string. Let's see how it looks like now. Still not. So it wants to match the incoming, which would be, oh, I'm sorry, the incoming can date dash month dash year, right? Is that how it goes? Okay, so the input, so I was looking at the output, sorry about that. So the input came as day, month spelled out, and double 2-digit year. So I convert that and then select the right one and run. And then see if there's an equality. And so let's look at this output. There's little lamb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3 looks the same. So that's the first one. And let's go to the second one since that's pretty quick. Aggregate consumer purchases. So objective, decide if we should start including a new meal deal on our menu. We want to start potential based on recent transaction. Please identify the number of percentage orders in July 1st, 2013, which include the following category: pizza or burger, along with a side and drink. Point of sales data include ticket level information and the lookup table categorized into higher level food category. Do not forget to join the lookup table and filter by day. Now, here we go. So let's do the start. So we're thinking of introducing a new meal on the menu. The percent includes pizza or burger along with a drink and point of sale. Don't forget to join us, run it, see. Let's take a look at the data. So ticket number, date, member ID, candlestick, and the price. So first thing I noticed, date is not in date format and price is not number format. second one. So this is a mapping of the description to the type. And the result is potential meal deal, total, and percentage. All right, so we want identify number and percentage to get cents. Okay, so what I would most likely do first is to filter down. I'll probably filter first just to get down to the tickets I want. And then I would join the table together. And then do some filtering. That's what I think is going to happen. I need 5 minutes. So let's look at the first one. So we will need to convert daytime. So the incoming date, it came in as a year, 4-digit year, 2-digit month, and a date, right? 4-digit, 2-digit month, and a date. So we'll convert that. And then I would do here is I would take the daytime, and we're looking for cents. I'll just take cents as June 1st. Okay, anything greater than June 1st. June 1st, 2013. So June 2013, June 1st. So I want everything to be greater or equal to this, right? And let's just run it, see how it looks like. So here, everything since June 1st, okay? And I will join that with, I want to change the description. I would use the description and map it to the description and create a some sort of, I guess the name's not important. At this point, you'll just join with the right description. And let's run and see what it looks like. So after June 1st, I know the burger, so I just need a formula or some sort of filter to get the expression of true and then summarize that, right? So, I'm sorry to keep doing that. So we want these categories and so we want real quick. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm going kind of fast. So I want type equals pizza or type equals burger and the whole thing together and Hmm. So I want to group by ticket ID and see if they did. Okay, made a mistake there. So I want to transform the remaining, and I want to group by ID tickets. And the only thing I really need is maybe a summarize grouping by ID ticket and price. That's sum. Price. Can I convert to a string on the Mac? I have to change the type. Just change it to double since that's the most simple number. So here after price, let's see what the results. Number. Okay, so I change the price to a double, and then I group have tickets, and then I count, I sum the price, and then type string. I'll just concatenate. Let's see how that works. So here I have, I think I'm getting closer, is so the price, ticket ID, okay, let's just do edit this. I'll see which I'm mute here, and then I'll use the extra field. I'll do a formula. And if I'll just do a big one. Let's do this. If find the string pizza and concatenate type or find string conquer concatenate type and print screen side and concatenate type and print screen tree and type. If that's the true, if I find those two, then I'll say I'll just put 1. Otherwise, 2, 0. How does that work? Let's see. If I do this, and that's dispatch parentheses. So they are true. Then non-zeros. First one is seems like there will be some non ones, but let's sort. Let's just see. If something's wrong with the equation, there must be. So the question is, how categorize this amount and side? So pizza or burger. And this is not going well, but let's see if I strip this guy out. And run it. I'm missing the equation. Let's look. Okay, so it looks like I used the wrong string function. Alteryx 12751. It looks like I'm still a little bit off. I was always dubious of the time. So let's set this time to July 1st. Just to see. Let's play. 10964. 10964. So it looks like the number by now is good. I just have to compare, group that together in the total and the percentage of the total. So let's go ahead and do a summarize. Count all of the tickets. And a potential meal and total. percentage total. Okay, now let's do count. This probably go away. So I count the meal, and then I sum the meal. So I sum it, which is I count the number, and then numeric. That's when I do that. Get the 2. At this point, I can probably just add. So rename just to get it exactly this name. So it's going to potential meal deal and the total. Right? It's going to be potential meal deals and then the total. And I'll add the latest one is a percentage, which is just simple math at this point. Which is potential divided by total. I want a double digit precision. The percentage. This data type. Let's just do a flow for now. I'll find out. So the name is percentage here. All right, looks good.